Alright, though, niggas, we about to go to the gun range, nigga. Yeah. Put up the cereal. Not for real, though. Real, though, niggas. Hey, hold my stuff real quick. I'm trying to
So burgered out, man.
What y'all niggas, though? I'm finna go to the gun range right quick. Little vlog. Turn off the heat. Make sure I got my charger. Wallet, keys. Alright. Close the door. We about to go to the gun range right quick. Shoot a couple shots with the AK. You heard where I'm coming from, little ass niggas. Pretty little bitch. You pretty bitch. I'm sorry, man. You pretty. I swear, look at your friend. Look at that bitch. Shut your head ass up, nigga. Boop. Bop. Bop, beat, bop.
Push the face, that's the antidote. Cars pull us over, don't panic, ho. Hey, hitting home runs just like Sammy Sosa. I'm smoking dope, you smoking cantaloupe. Smoking watermelon. You smoke fruit patties. What they do to that? Bitch, I smoke the best OG. My brother.
Got there eating them motherfucking pancakes, nigga. I forgot my fucking Carmex.
I got comments.
Damn! Tell me, mop. Heard where I'm coming from, little ass niggas.
I'm like, what you talking about, honeyberry? Is it old?
I like fuck with a motherfucker. Oh.
One of these, right? These the premium.
Not the premium, nigga.
These the good ones.
That is not the premium.
The good ones.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
Damn, you hurt the wine down, dude. This shit, dude.
One more time, man.
Oh, shoot, my bad. I ain't put these. Green? Hell no.
Thugging with my boots. And I got this.
But I got
They got a dog in the motherfucker.
I told your ass.
Am I gonna see dog in there?
We told you they was dark. This is bright as fuck. Now I gotta go back inside and get some bananas.
Hey, I told him. That was weird as hell.
Let me get a different pack. Nah. Yeah, let me get the same one. Let me see that one.
Back for the second time. That bitch. Almost bust my ass.
That shit $3? Hell no. What the fuck?
And then dry the whip. Not roll with this nigga.
You gotta clean the fucking car ass.
I can't fly like that. Niggas gotta keep this clean. So
So I gotta spray myself.
don't do that.
I'm bad. That bitch big as hell. Wrong in that bitch just take your body off.
Yeah, one round of that motherfucker. 50 round drum right there.
How much you got to win it?
That's a 50 round.
$70 for both of us.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous as hell.
This is annoying, dog.
Huh?
You are annoying.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, like, show nigga. What the fuck you talking about, nigga? Big shit,
Put
nigga.
your real stuff on right here.
Big shit. Big ass sorry.
Somebody grab this one.
Like, my hand's ashy as fuck, but don't worry about it. Be alright.
Here.
Big shirt.
My hand's so fucking ash.
Shoot, yeah, you're about to shoot the same thing. Watch that.
12 gauge. Nigga, I'll shoot the nigga. I don't know what the fuck.
My motherfucking partner.
Sick as hell.
Look how I did my man.
Nigga's head like Oh, nigga.
For right now, you know what I'm saying? For right now.
Nigga, that shotgun was no fucking joke, nigga. I shot the AK, you know what I'm saying? That bitch pop, 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 but that shotgun, that bitch. Foop, 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 foop. That bitch is scared as hell. I'm standing closest to the wall possible. And I'm like, dog, I ain't never been in no gun range before, dog. Fuck!
Oh, that shit was low
Fuck!
fun as hell.
Fuck!
You start coming to
Fuck! Check me out, though. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, nigga.
Cause you always go to that bitch.
Hey, look, I don't want to see you watching my shit without subscribing to my shit. You fucked up, bro. Alright, see y'all niggas.
Oh, he, all right, he's
See y'all niggas.
Look straight.